Hey guys, welcome back to Cam's Toy Box. Today we're opening chocolate surprises. Our first one is a Chupa Chups surprise from Peppa Pig. We got delicious milk chocolate ball. And inside, a toy. Also gets a flyer that tells us the different characters we can collect. Lots of great figures. And we got Daddy Pig. He's wearing a crown, and he comes with a display stand. Hello, Daddy Pig. Let's see who else we can find. Aww, and inside we have Susie Sheep. She also comes with a display stand. And she's wearing a beautiful, beautiful little hat there and a super pretty gold chain. Next we have two Kinder Joy surprises from Disney Princess. These ones you split in half, and on one side is a delicious snack, the other side is a toy. Which side is which? This side is our toy. Let's look at the flyer. Here's the different princesses. You can get Mulan, you can get Rapunzel or Cinderella, plus their little pets. And it looks like we got Mushu. Check him out, and he even comes with this super cool mask you can put on top of his head. Whoa, that's awesome! And here is what the snack looks like. Super yummy. Let's see who else we get. I think we got Rapunzel, my favorite princess. Look how big and beautiful she is. It comes with a real, material skirt and a super pretty purple display stand. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy I got her. Now it's time for our chocolate surprise eggs. And our first one comes from Dinotrux. Whoa, that one exploded. Here's the flyer, lots of great characters, and we got Garby. Garby is a beautiful blue color. He looks really, really strong, but super, super sweet. Our next one comes from Choco Treasure, and it's from the Pooh Crew. Check out the flyer. Lots of awesome figures to collect. They're also little finger puppets. They come in rare, super rare, and common. You can also get table skaters or air disc launchers, wearable buttons, or a memory card game. And I think we got a table skater. Here's our character. Do you know what his name is? It's Hip-Poo, of course. I'll show you how a table skater works. You put the little card in the skater, you put it down, push on this end, and it'll skate across the floor. Woo! Our next one is a Kinder Chocolate Surprise Egg from Hot Wheels. And that delicious, delicious Kinder Milk Chocolate. Give the capsule a squeeze. And it looks like we got a car. Lots of different ones to collect. And it looks like we got the red one. Here it is. It's got real working wheels, and when you push down on it, it reveals the engine. You see that? Pretty cool. And And our next one comes from Blaze and the Monster Machines. Here's all the different characters to collect. And we got Stripes. Check him out. He has real working wheels, a roll cage, and of course those awesome purple stripes. And here we have another Choco Treasure, but this time it is a Shopkins themed egg. On the label we have Poppycorn and Apple Blossom. Lots of great prizes to get inside of these eggs. You can get Shopkins figures. They have a whole bunch of them to collect. There's also bracelets, 3D puzzles, wearable buttons, memory card games, and magnets. And it looks like we got a puzzle. And here's what a 3D puzzle looks like. How cute is this? It's three-dimensional. It actually stands up, and we got a little shopping bag. It looks like we went shopping for Sneaky Wedge and Strawberry Kiss today. And our next egg comes from El Chavo. We have a white chocolate and milk chocolate egg. And here's the flyer. You can get finger puppets or cards. There's a little ball to collect. Whoa, and I think we got a finger puppet. We did. Here it is all put together. Hola. Next up is Star Wars. More great figures. And we got a Death Trooper. And a Death Trooper is dark and black like Darth Vader. And next we have another Kinder Chocolate Surprise for boys. Oh, looks like we have another kind of car. Here's the flyer. I have to apply stickers, and it comes with a launcher. The stickers have awesome flames on them, and I'll show you how to work the launcher. You place the launcher on the back, put it down, and squeeze. And then you can store your car inside the launcher so it doesn't get lost. And here we have a Ben and Holly's Little Kingdom. Another sweet egg. Different figures to collect. And we got Poppy. Aw, she's super cute and super tiny. I love her crown and her fairy wings. And next is Plants vs. Zombies. Here is the flyer. Lots of different plants to collect and super scary zombies. And we got Walnut. Check him out, he's super cool. He's even really shiny. We have another one, Plants vs. Zombies. Maybe we'll get a zombie this time. I think we got a zombie. I see a zombie face. Yep, we got a zombie. Here he is all put together and he's super creepy. Our next one comes from Angry Birds. Oh, another white chocolate and milk chocolate. Oh, I think we got a pig, guys. Here is the flyer. And we got pig. Here he is put together, and he looks like he's ready to fly. And another Choco Treasure, this time from PJ Masks. Here's the flyer. You can get glow-in-the-dark figures, regular figures, wearable buttons, or a memory card game. And we got a wearable button, and it has Owlette on it. Isn't that beautiful? So what you do is you take this and you put it on the inside of your t-shirt or your clothes, and then you take this, you put it on the outside, and you squeeze them together over the shirt or over the fabric, and you have a wearable button. And this one comes from Everyday Heroes. And Everyday Heroes take many different forms, like a doctor, a soldier, police officer, a pilot, a firefighter, an astronaut, or a sailor. And we got the pilot. And here's our awesome pilot. He's ready for takeoff. We got some really fun toys today, some super cute figures, some cars, an awesome puzzle. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and checking out these great chocolate surprise eggs. Be sure to come back, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to see lots more toys and surprises every single day here on Cam's Toy Box. I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.